Hey guys, today I will talk about the FOMC, about the Federal Reserve, about the rate hike, and also I will talk about its impact on the euro versus the US dollar. Here is there is disclaimer. Please read it, guys. As you already know, it's important to understand the risks before trading on Forex, on CFDs, on the financial markets. And please follow us on Instagram. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. You can learn a lot from our videos. And if you have a question, you can send an email to support. Okay, so if you are not a VIP member and if you want to join us, you can access the link posted right below this video. So euro versus the US dollar. Let's take a look on the economic calendar first of all. So FOMC statement tonight, federal funds rate. It is expected to be increased from 1.75% to 2.50%. So 75 basis point rate hike again, only because the US reported higher inflation again in the last month. So also FOMC press conference could really shake the markets, could bring high volatility and sharp movements in both directions. So we have to be careful later today. But don't forget that also the pending home sales, durable good orders, core durable good orders could bring some volatility today as well. So Euro USD, it maintains a bearish bias despite this temporary rebound. Maybe personally I would have liked the euro versus USD to come back higher towards 1.0348 key level before coming back down, before dropping again, because maybe here I would have personally I would have looked for a short position here around 1.0348 key level, testing, retesting, registering only false breakouts above this level. It would have helped us maybe to catch a new downside movement. So right now it has rallied, it has found resistance around 1.0269, and right now it has dropped it below because the dollar index rebounded. And also technically here it has failed to stabilize above the upper medium line of the ascending pitchfork, signaling maybe a potential downside breakout from this pitchfork sideways movement. Here it's failure to approach to reach to retest 1.0269, signaling that maybe the buyers are exhausted. And right now it has dropped it below the lower medium line, retest of 1.0155, and right now it has stabilized below the lower medium line. In my opinion, a new lower low here, dropping, closing, and stabilizing below yesterday's low 1.0107 could activate a potential downside movement, deeper drop. So this is what I'm looking at here right now in euro versus the US dollar. You have to be careful, guys, because the volatility could be high. Euro versus the US dollar could register sharp movements in both directions in the short term around the FOMC, before and right after the FOMC, and that's why you have to be careful. And yeah, as I've said, the bias is bearish. Personally, I'm looking for shorts, and I don't know. The current rate hike could help, or actually more hawkish than expected. Federal Reserve, FOMC could help the US dollar to appreciate, to take a lead again, to appreciate versus its rivals, okay, to dominate the currency market. Okay, so you can see 1, 2, and 3 here, test, retest, false breakouts, and right now new lower low, retest, and the new lower low here could activate a potential downside movement. A larger downside movement maybe could be activated by a value breakout below the descending pitchfork's median line. Okay, so this is my opinion here, but don't forget that anything could happen around the FOMC. Maybe, I don't know, euro versus the US dollar could come back higher to retest the resistance levels before coming back down. And in my opinion, only a new higher high, a value breakout above 1.0269 could signal a larger rebound towards that key level 1.0348, as I've said. So this is my opinion here. Thank you guys for watching this daily video analysis. So you have to be careful. Let's take a look on the dollar index. I've talked about the dollar index for the VIP members today. So sideways movement, its failure to stabilize maybe here below 106.40, the pivot point to retest right now, a new higher high could signal a potential upwards movement. So an upwards movement here could force the US dollar to appreciate. Thank you guys. So don't forget yeah, the dollar index was in a corrective phase, okay, after its strong upside movement. So after if this retreat corrective phase it's over here, if the retreat, the correction ended here, and the new higher high here could signal a potential further growth. So it was in a corrective phase ahead of the FOMC maybe, because yeah, the traders have expected maybe a potential rate hike again. So a temporary retreat ahead of the FOMC, a new higher high could signal potential further growth. So thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, learn to trade Forex signals if you want to become a VIP member, or you can access the link posted right below this video. Instagram, follow us. Thanks.